Welcome back to the House of Cars 2024, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Mahindra Scorpio 2024, a legendary SUV that combines rugged toughness with modern sophistication. The Scorpio has been a favorite among SUV lovers for its durability and performance, and the 2024 model is set to elevate this iconic vehicle to new heights. Let's dive into what makes the 2024 Mahindra Scorpio a standout choice. Robust and commanding design. The Mahindra Scorpio 2024 boasts a robust and commanding design that emphasizes its off-road capabilities and strong presence. The SUV features an updated front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular lines that enhance its bold look. The new design includes stylish alloy wheels and a higher ground clearance, making it ready for any adventure. The Scorpio's exterior design combines practicality with a rugged aesthetic, ensuring it stands out whether on city streets or off-road trails. Spacious and comfortable interior. Step inside the 2024 Scorpio, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable interior designed to accommodate both passengers and cargo with ease. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials and includes modern touches such as leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering ample support for long journeys. The interior is equipped with the latest technology, including an advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. The multifunction steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and premium audio system. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority in the Mahindra Scorpio 2024. The SUV comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features to ensure the well-being of you and your passengers. These include multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, hill start assist, and electronic stability control. The Scorpio also features a rear-view camera with parking sensors, making it easier and safer to maneuver in tight spaces. Powerful and efficient performance. The 2024 Scorpio is powered by a range of robust and efficient engines designed to deliver outstanding performance. The standard engine is a 2.2-liter Mach diesel engine that offers excellent torque and power, ideal for both city driving and off-road adventures. For those seeking a petrol option, there's also a 2.0-liter M Stallion turbocharged engine that provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. The Scorpio's advanced suspension system and 4x4 capabilities make it a true off-road warrior. Whether you're tackling rough terrains or cruising on highways, the Scorpio provides a comfortable and controlled ride. Pricing. The Mahindra Scorpio 2024 is competitively priced, starting at around $18,000 for the base model. Higher trims with additional features and capabilities can go up to approximately $25,000. This pricing makes the Scorpio an attractive option for those seeking a rugged yet modern SUV that offers excellent value for money. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Mahindra Scorpio 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.